Hi guys, my name is Natalie, and today I want to go through with you why it's so important for you to use price action, market structure together with candlestick patterns. And I also want to show you how to use the higher time frames and why it's so important to understand what the market is doing against those levels when you are trading. So for you to be able to earn a lot of money in the market, you really need to know these things. So let's dive into the market. I'm gonna do a quick one on an update what happened right now since yesterday. So the market broke the Fibonacci level right here that we had. We could also see that the market did do lower highs. So this one is lower than that one, and this one is lower than that one. And I told you guys, if the market will break it, it will come back down. How far? This is my first target that I have, and it's you can see it's heading down to it. If the market will retrace back up to this area where the market actually today was the whole time, this was the low of 3 sessions. I want, if the market can come down to this area, then go back up and then retest it and then continue to go down. So when the market comes to this area, you have to combine the higher time frames candlestick and see what's happening in the lower time frames. If it comes back down here, retest it, and you might just see that the market will continue to go up because this is also the higher low. So the market can continue to come back down, retest this area, and then continue to go up. But the market, if the market breaks this area, comes back up, retest it, this will be my next zone. Something that I want to talk to you about, if we go to the higher time frames, let's say the weekly, because I'm talking about how important it is to use your levels and understand why the market is doing what it's doing. So I'm going to take these away to not confuse you guys. I'm always talking about how important it is to use the higher time frames, and you slowly go down to the lower time frames. Why is that so important? If we go to the weekly, we can see that we are at a support level right here, and the market, it didn't go up there, but it did retest this wick right here. So we can see that on the 2-day, it looks kind of different. And we can do it like this. We can take this part here, and you can see how perfect the market actually came into that area and retested this part. So if you would not have used the higher time frames and you only see that the market is, because the market is in an uptrend, we can all see that, but the market have to come back down and then slowly, if it's supposed to go up, it will go up, but it have to retrace back. The market is always moving from zone to zone. Okay, so if we go back to the weekly right now, obviously I don't trade off of the weekly. Like, I don't wait for a doji on the weekly because I know I'm never going to be able to trade. But if the market comes to this area, it's far away right now, so it doesn't matter. I just want to give you a perspective how to think when you're watching the market. Right now, we are actually we are retesting this part right here. So this could also be a retracement if the market will continue to go down, because now it's in the 50 and 61% on a downtrend. So from the high to the low, broke, came up, retest this low here, and then just might continue to go down. The market could also go down, retest this area right here. This is a resistance. And what do the market do? Comes back down, retest the resistance, become a support, continues to go up, comes back down, it retests the previous higher high. The funny thing about trading is never going to look like that. 99% never. You understand why this is so important? Because I remember in the beginning when I was trading, I did read some books that told me about naked trading, that you have to use the higher time frames and then combine those with the lower time frames because you need the bigger picture. And for me at that point, I didn't understand why that was so important, because you just wanted to earn all of these money and you didn't really want to put down the work to it. But with time, I really did understand that, okay, I need to know, I really need to understand what's happening and why the market is doing what it's doing. So I always ask why. Why did the market come here? Why did the market retest here? Why? So take away all of your own feelings about it and just watch what the market is doing against these levels. This is pure naked trading. Market structure, candlestick patterns. So my only advice to you is, focus on price action, understand market structure, candlestick pattern. So this is everything today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Wish you a good week. Continue to trade, continue to study, and believe in yourself, because you can really change your life with this. So let's see if the market comes back up again, retested, or it's just going to continue to go down. I'm just going to give you one more thing. If the market continues to go down, watch out for this area right here. If it breaks that area, this is another important area for the market to come to. Okay? Thank you. Bye. Have a good day.